Hey everyone, how you guys doing? This is your boy David, and today I am going to show you guys how you can actually set up your 2Checkout account with your Shopify. It is very easy and straight to the point. The reason why you want to do that is because for people like me who live overseas, and you're not allowed to use like Stripe. Stripe is pretty good, but we cannot use it if you are living overseas. They're not allowing us to use it. But 2Checkout give us that opportunity. The percentage rate is a little higher, but to the end of the day, it still will get the job done. And I'm going to show you how you can connect it together, and it's very simple and straight to the point. So for you to actually to reach to that section where I'm actually showing you right now, you will have to go and sign up with 2Checkout to actually get approved. If you do not get approved, that section will actually not be available to you. I just get my 2Checkout approved like three or 4 days ago, but I haven't connected with my Shopify store. So I wanted a second option, so when customers come to my store, instead of having PayPal alone, they can have a different payment option they can choose from. So this is why I actually went sign up with 2Checkout, and today I'm going to just show you how to connect it. So I'm not going to bore you guys with information. I'm just going to go and show you guys how it's actually done. First, what I'm going to do is I'm going to log into my 2Checkout account. My computer is moving a little slow today. Okay. Once you reach into your 2Checkout account, as you guys can see, there is no sale inside my brand new account. But your next move is you're gonna go up top to the navigation section. You're gonna go to where it says Site Management. You're going to click it, and once you reach in that section, what you're going to actually do is you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. It has another section. This section here is where you can actually customize your 2Checkout. I haven't even do this yet. After this video, I'm going to be doing it for myself, and if you guys actually need me to show you the process of how I'm setting this up too, just leave a comment below this video, and if I got enough engagement, I would actually go back and go to the process of setting it up. So this is not actually why we're here, so let's get straight to the point. I'm gonna scroll all the way to the bottom, and this is my secret word. I'm gonna go and copy that. All right, remember, you copy that. Now I'm gonna go back to my Shopify account. As you guys can see, I'm already logged in. But how do I get here? Once you're into Shopify, you're gonna look down to the left section. You're gonna go to setting. Once you reach a setting, I'm sure you know how to get in this section. You're gonna go with a payment provider. Then, as you guys can see, the only payment option I have on my store right now is PayPal, right? So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to look for it. As you guys can see, available in the Turks and Caicos, this is the country where I'm from. I'm going to actually connect it. I'm gonna wait till it load up so it can pull up the information so where I can place the key. I'm gonna scroll down. It's a brand new one, so I'm gonna show you straight to the point. What I'm gonna do now, I'm going to paste the key in here. right? Remember the long key that I get from here? That's where you paste the key. And what I'm gonna do next, you need this code right here. So I'm gonna copy it. Then I'm gonna go back to my Shopify store. Remember it's a account number, 9-digit. That would be this one right here. Remember, account number would be right here. Okay? So what I'm gonna do next, as you guys can see, my secret key, I'm not gonna let it show. And what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna say activate. Okay, it looked like it's saved already. Now let's go and test it and see if it's working. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refresh this page. That's the store that I got it on. Right. Now I'm gonna click buy now. You have to test it to make sure it's actually working. Okay. I will have to go and fill in these information. Look how, guys, while I'm here, look how pretty, look how my page is, my checkout page is actually customized. If you need tips on how I get that done, I can also do a video. Just don't be afraid to leave a comment below this video. But let's get straight to the point and not get off track. I'm gonna put in my email, shipping address, let's just put in some information. Since it's just a test, I'm gonna just leave it like this for now. Now I fill in my information. Once the customer did that, then they're gonna go to continue shipping method. Now as you guys can see, now it's going to see continue to payment method. Now this is where the other option come in. This is where 2Checkout come in, right? As you guys can see, before I only had PayPal, but now I have 2Checkout, which is right here. Right? You see the customers have this option. They can, if they choose not to pay with PayPal, right, they can enter the credit card. Make it a lot easier, and you wouldn't be missing any sales. Then what you're gonna do, and then what I'm gonna do next. Then once they complete, they press complete order. They're gonna redirect them to the 2Checkout page, which is different, as you guys can see. It's this one here hasn't set up as yet, but I'm going to show you the whole process. Right? As you guys can see, well, they will go here and enter the information, the billing information, and the payment method. Right? As you guys can see, it's automatically entered here. It's automatically entered here. And the payment method, they would have to go and enter the credit card, as you guys can see. All right. So I hope you guys find a lot of value in this video. This is it for now. And if you guys have any question, don't be afraid to comment below. And what you can do is you can always subscribe to this channel, so whenever I do a new video, you can be notified to be the first person to see it, and you can actually learn from my content. And if you like this video, you can give it a thumb up or comment below it and let me know your thought on this video. So this is your boy David signing out, and I hope to see you guys in another video. So have a safe one and enjoy life to the fullest.